Creators, YouTubers, podcasters, what's up, YouTubers? Andrew Wall here to help you write effective video descriptions and channel descriptions to help you grow your channel, maybe? Do they actually help? Do they help you sell stuff? Do they drive more subscribers? How much time should you be spending on them? I'll be answering all of those questions in this video. I've done this thousands of times. I've generated hundreds of millions of views. I've swapped out descriptions, tried different SEO hacking strategies, and at the end of the day, there are only certain things about descriptions that actually matter. But if you check on YouTube, and you guys probably have seen some of these videos, I tell you what, you're gonna get more views by using your descriptions, I'm telling you. Wow, you're gonna optimize, man. You're gonna get that SEO hack. Here's how you do it in Hindi, etc., etc. The real deal is this. Spoiler, here's the conclusion of this video. Swapping out your description, hacking your SEO and your description on your channel and in your videos is going to have a minor effect on the performance of your video. It is a contributing factor, just like tags. Okay, so don't think that this description video is going to revolutionize your channel, and anyone that's telling you that it will is lying to you, straight up. But here's how you do it. So basically, take a look at your tags. I made a video all about your common mistakes with tags and making great ones for your channel and your videos. Watch that video first before watching this one. It's on my channel. Okay, once you watch that video and you know what a great tag is, then you can make your description. So you come up with your title, and you have your primary keywords up there that you want to be hitting within your title. In this case, for this video, it was YouTube tags, YouTube video, channel tags, and YouTube channel tags, etc. All of those combinations are here in my title. I went ahead and repeated a number of those here in my tags. Tags to YouTube, YouTube tags, YouTube channel tags, etc. Then, at the top of your description, this is the most important part, and this is the only part that is really going to help your video perform on YouTube. Repeat those keywords here in your first couple lines above the fold in your description. All right, so I put tags, YouTube videos, tags, again, grow your channel is another term I'm hitting a lot, all right? YouTube channel tags, and all the different combinations of YouTube, videos, channel, and tags are here in the top of my description, so I'm doing SEO tripling. 1, 2, and in my tags, 3. SEO tripling is the most effective way to get results for those particular search terms. And if you actually look at the search for the term, YouTube descriptions, you'll see that right here in the descriptions, it says YouTube descriptions, and their title, it says YouTube descriptions. And I think it's pretty fair to say that in their tags, they put the term YouTube description. And that's why they ended up getting a high search result for these particular terms in all of these cases. SEO tripling. That's what this whole thing is all about. But wait, it's that simple? Yes, it's that simple. That's the only SEO component of descriptions that truly matter and can make an impact in a measurable way. But then what should you use descriptions for? Why are they there? That top part is to help YouTube identify what your video is all about with some extra data beyond your title, thumbnail, and your tags. The rest is to, drumroll please, sell stuff. That is the most effective way to use a video description because it is the most effective place to place links to sell things. Okay, let me talk about that here really quick. And you're like, what? What do you mean sell stuff? Shouldn't I be driving subs? Yeah, you can do that if you want. I've experimented with it on TGN, the team has, and the bottom line is this link right here. If you get it above the fold, and we got it above the fold here with the bells here, telling people to sub, it drives a marginal amount of subscriptions in your description, I'll be honest. This channel has 1.1 million subscribers. It goes up to 10 million views a month. This link right here, this bit.ly link to subscribe is whatever. The performance is whatever. So if you want to put it there, cool. If that's the main thing you care about and you're not selling anything, do this. Put the subscribe call to action above the fold so that before you click show more in your description, it shows up above the fold. That will be your main thing. If you're not selling anything, if you don't have affiliate links, if you don't have merchandise, if you don't have sponsorships, if you don't have super chat, and if you don't have those things, you need to be looking into getting those things. Put subscribe above the fold. But as you can see here in this video, this is the complete history and lore of Reaper. Did we do an effective job of the description of doing tripling? Overwatch term, Overwatch should be here. Overwatch. Bam. Tripling complete. Lore. Okay, we've got lore and we've got lore. Tripling complete. Okay, Reaper. Okay, we've got Reaper. Okay, we've got Reaper. Tripling complete. Description tripling complete. Everything else is just details. But let's take a look at another description. Is this one good? This is a channel that I like a lot. Game Attack. And this is an example of a somewhat, if not ineffective description. They're playing Pokemon. Okay, great. In their tags, they have Dark Souls as a tag. Why? Okay, all right, whatever. Well, they are repeating Pokemon here on the top of the description multiple times. That's really, really good, and it's okay. But they didn't repeat Pokemon Leaf, Green. Maybe those terms needed to be there. That could have been something that could have helped them here in their description. They could have repeated that in their tags as well. They did not complete the tripling. So the top of their description could have been more effective in this case. But they have the subscribe call to action here. Be sure to sub it up. Okay, fair enough. But if you drop down their description, they're selling stuff. And this is something that they're very good at doing on Game Attack. You can sponsor them here. You can donate to them here. They tell you how to super chat. They've got a Patreon. These guys make the majority of their money not off of the monetization on their channel, but on selling stuff on other avenues. So guys, diversify your revenue, do merchandising, implement super chat, implement sponsorship if you can, consider opening a Patreon, and considering telling people to go to the description below in order to get those things. Seriously, that's the main reason why you should be using the descriptions, and that is one of the big things that Game Attack does effectively, and they're making thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars a month, way more than they're making off of monetization by sending people to the description below to buy their products. That's the main benefit that they're getting from their descriptions. Here's another example of maybe selling too much in your description, a channel that I love, Epos Vox. Okay, he does a good job of repeating Panasonic G7, and then look, but Panasonic G7 is way below the fold on his description. Okay, is that good? No, it's not. You need to have your key terms above the fold. In your description, our algorithm does not pull stuff below the fold as effectively, and it certainly doesn't show up here in search when you're looking for a relevant search term, and so it makes your video less likely to be clicked from search. So Epos Vox could have done a better job there with their keyword tripling in their description. However, look at how much stuff he's selling. He might be selling too much. So this is an example of maybe going a little overboard. Here's the affiliate link for this and this, the affiliate link for this and this. Here's some reference videos. Here's some other tech videos, more videos. Okay, we've got all these things, direct donate, gear list, Discord server. You can follow us. Oh my God, we've got all these channels. Here's more affiliate links. This is being oversold. So here's an example of don't sell too much, focus your description on what you're talking about, and just sell that. All right, and if you guys are wondering how I'm seeing what tags people are using on their videos, that is TubeBuddy. It is a tool that I use. Now I'm going to tell you to go into my video description below. If you want TubeBuddy, it can give you insight on what your competitors are doing, what other people are doing on YouTube, and you can more effectively write your descriptions by using TubeBuddy. Link in the description below. It is an affiliate link. Anytime you spend money on that product, I get a percentage of it. It helps support this channel. I am currently making $5 a month on my channel, so that would really help me out. See what I just did there? I just sent you my description. Maybe you'll click and you'll download that particular product that I've used, and maybe that will generate results for me. But if I told you to go to the description below and subscribe, that would have been way less effective because you already have a subscribe button available for you on YouTube. Why am I gonna tell you to go to the description to do that too? That just doesn't make sense, right? Selling stuff in the description below is the most effective thing that you can do with your description. Now, some people put their socials down there. Okay, that can help. If people really want to look for it, put it down towards the bottom. Don't emphasize it unless one of your social avenues is critically important to the success of your channel. And that's something that I do actually, is I put Ask a YouTube Expert towards the top higher end of my description because that's where I interact with you guys to do one of my series. I pull your questions from Twitter and it literally feeds the content on my channel. So if one of your social avenues is far more important than the others, considering putting it towards the top of your description. Cool? All right, let's talk about channel tags really quick, or channel descriptions really quick. It's very simple. Make sure you select the right channel tags first. watch my video about that. I talk about it for 10 minutes in this video and tell you exactly how to do it. But once you have those tags, which I've got right here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your channel itself, and then you're going to repeat those tags here as much as you can towards in your description. There's no rule that says it needs to be at the top of your channel description. It just gets repeated here as a contributing factor for your channel to show up in related channels to others. So some of my key terms that I have in my channel tags are YouTubers, are TGN, are YouTube itself, BBTV, obviously things like get more views, gain subscribers, grow your channel, tips, YouTube tips, channel strategy. All of these terms I have listed here are key terms that I'm repeating in my channel tags here. And what you're basically looking to do is keyword doubling when it comes to your channel description. Don't spam your description here, and don't spam your description in your videos either with a bunch of erroneous garbage. That is something that YouTube will punish, and don't do it on your channel. I'm describing here on my channel, there's a headline that you can quickly understand what my channel is all about. And the same thing is the case with any videos. You can quickly read this first sentence and know what that video is all about with no BS. All right, do that first. Consolidate that in the most attractive and easy to read way possible. Then below that, in your channel description, maybe tell a story. In this case, I'm telling my story. I'm creating content on this channel to help YouTubers grow, to get more subscribers, etc. I'm hoping that my tips are gonna help you turn your ambitions into a reality. Isn't that what my content is actually about? Cool, I put it right here. And then I give a little background on myself. I'm one of the co-founders of a video network. I talk about my credibility as somebody on YouTube to give you advice, etc. I'm YouTube certified. Bam, that's it. It's very, very simple. But the most important part is that I doubled my keywords that I had in my channel tags here, and then that's the SEO benefit that you're going to get. Outside of that, use this as a pitch to help people understand what your channel's all about, and maybe to give them a little bit of background on why they should care about you, and that's about it. Don't link things here, don't try to sell stuff here, just tell people genuinely what your channel's about and get the minor amounts of SEO benefit. That's it. It was that simple. Don't let people lie to you about video descriptions and channel descriptions and tell you they'll sell you a book or a seminar or a PDF that's gonna help you hack those to grow your channel into infinity. They are not telling the truth. It's very simple. There's very little SEO benefit, and use the rest to sell your stuff, to diversify your revenue. With demonetization happening, it's not affecting some people, it's affecting some other people a lot. There's a whole spectrum in between. Take control of your destiny. Take control of your affiliate game, your merch game, your transactional revenue game, and use your descriptions to drive people down below to click that stuff to help you become more sustainable in the long run. Because if you're on YouTube, you need to be in it for the long run, and descriptions are all about the long run. My name is Andrew Wall. I hope you found this one useful, and be sure to subscribe and enable notifications if you want more helpful information on how to grow your YouTube channel. That's pretty much all I'm doing here. I'm not going to tell you to go to the description below to subscribe. Just click the subscribe button. You know where it's at. Keep crushing, creators. I'll see you in the next one. Adios.